Now this is how you can delete PDF files from your iPad. Let me show you and guide you through it. If you are new here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one. So the PDFs are most definitely stored on your iPad, very likely part of the Apple Files app, so it would make sense to straight directly there, and you can go, for example, browse and search for it inside of the local storage, which is the on my iPad or the iCloud or in other places. But the best way to do it to find the PDF files would be by tapping on the search magnifying glass icon in the tab right. And this gives us the ability to search for our files. So naturally, if you know the file name, you can look it up. But even if not, just type in the PDF and choose that not that the name contains PDF, but we are looking for PDF document, like we are browsing and filtering that particular file type. So if I look that up, you can see that I can switch from the recents to the on my iPad, and here are essentially all of the PDFs which are on my iPad. So you can see I can browse it as such, click on select multiple of them, delete them, whatever, but it is all put together in one place, right? So it would make sense to just look it up this way so you have like a better way to find them. Outside of that, it might also happen that you have the PDFs somewhere else. In many cases, you have like a PDF editor app on the iPad. Like for example, I have the PDF Expert or Adobe Acrobat, and it's possible that you also have PDFs stored within those apps. So it would make sense to like get them inside in here and also check out that section and perhaps delete them from this place too. But that is generally how it would work. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos too.